this Wealthsimple tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy Telus Corporation stock, ticker symbol T in Canada, on Wealthsimple. So once you have Wealthsimple open up on your device, on the homepage here, go to the bottom left and press on the magnifying glass. Then go to press on the search bar and just type in Telus. Sorry, I spelled Telus wrong. T-E-L-U-S. There you go. Telus Corp right here is the first option. Press on that. Then press on buy at the bottom. Now, if you want to invest into Telus Corp, and if you want to go from a fractional buy to something else, press on fractional buy at the top, and you can select market buy, limit buy, fractional buy, as I mentioned before, stop, limit buy, or recurring buy. But we're just going to go ahead and keep fractional buy, and I will do $3 for this demonstration, and then press on continue. And pretty simple, just press on confirm order at the bottom when you're done, and there you go. That is how to buy Telus Corporation stock, ticker symbol T in Canada on Wealthsimple. I hope this video helps.